Ever dreamed of a home that gives back to the planet? Imagine living comfortably while actively reducing your carbon footprint. Achieving a net zero carbon home might sound like a futuristic concept, but it's more attainable than you think. It's about balancing your energy consumption with renewable energy generation. Get ready to transform your living space into an eco-friendly powerhouse. Let's dive into how you can make a real difference, right from your own home. First up, let's talk about the unsung hero of energy efficiency: insulation. It's like wrapping your home in a cozy, energy-saving blanket. Proper insulation in walls, attics, and floors drastically reduces heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. This means less energy needed for heating and cooling. It's a foundational step for any net zero journey. You'll feel the difference in comfort and see it in your energy bills. Next, let's meet the incredible heat pump. This isn't your grandma's furnace. It's a super efficient heating and cooling system. Heat pumps move heat rather than generating it, making them incredibly energy efficient. They can extract warmth from the air or ground, even in cold climates. Switching to a heat pump dramatically cuts your reliance on fossil fuels. It's a smart, sustainable choice for year-round comfort. Now for the star player in generating your own clean energy: solar photovoltaic, or PV, panels. These amazing panels convert sunlight directly into electricity for your home. Installing PV panels on your roof allows you to produce your own power, offsetting your energy consumption. Any excess electricity can even be sent back to the grid, further reducing your carbon footprint. It's empowering to generate your own clean energy. Achieving net zero is a journey, and every step counts. Consider upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors to further seal your home. Smart thermostats and LED lighting also play a significant role in reducing energy demand. Even small changes, like unplugging electronics, contribute to your overall goal. Every action moves you closer to a truly sustainable home. Making your home net zero carbon is an exciting and rewarding endeavor. It's a powerful way to combat climate change, save money, and create a healthier living environment. Whether you're a renter making small changes or a homeowner embarking on major renovations, your efforts matter. You have the power to build a greener future, one home at a time. Let's make a difference together.